Have you ever wondered how logistics, the backbone of global commerce, has evolved over the years? Let's step back in time to the early 1900s. This was a period of tremendous change where railroads and steamships were the workhorses, moving goods across vast distances. World War I further amplified the importance of logistics, as efficient supply chains became critical to military success. So, the early 1900s set the foundation for what we now know as logistics, largely driven by the demands of war and the advent of new transportation methods. As we move into the mid-20th century, logistics starts to take a more recognizable shape. Following the end of World War II, the world saw the rise of air freight. This new mode of transport allowed goods to be moved faster and farther than ever before. It was a game changer, reshaping the landscape of global commerce. But the real revolution came in the 1950s, with the advent of containerization. Standardized containers meant goods could now be easily loaded, unloaded, and transferred between different modes of transport, be it ships, trucks, or trains. This innovation significantly reduced costs and increased efficiency in logistics, propelling it into a new era. Meanwhile, in the United States, the development of the interstate highway system had a profound impact. It enabled goods to be transported across the country more swiftly and reliably, further bolstering the logistics industry. Indeed, the mid-20th century was a transformative period for logistics, with air freight and containerization leading the way. Now let's fast forward to the late 20th and early 21st centuries, where the digital revolution significantly changed the logistics landscape. This era saw the advent of computers and the internet, which played pivotal roles in streamlining logistics operations. Data could be processed faster than ever before, enabling swift decision-making and efficient resource allocation. Around the same time, the emergence of Global Positioning System technology, or GPS, revolutionized logistics further. It provided real-time tracking, allowing companies to monitor their shipments every step of the way, increasing accountability and efficiency. Then came the rise of e-commerce, a game-changer for the logistics industry. The boom in online shopping required sophisticated logistics operations to meet the demand for quick and reliable deliveries. Companies had to adapt and evolve, leading to innovative solutions such as drone deliveries and automated warehouses. The digital revolution not only made logistics more efficient, but also more customer-centric, enabling real-time tracking and facilitating the rise of e-commerce. So, what does the future hold for logistics? As we stand on the brink of the next wave of technological innovation, it's fascinating to envision the potential of technologies like drones, autonomous vehicles, and artificial intelligence in transforming logistics. Picture a world where fleets of drones whir through the skies, delivering packages with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine autonomous vehicles, tirelessly navigating complex supply routes day and night with zero human intervention. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's not just about robots taking over the warehouse floor. We're talking about intelligent systems that can predict demand, optimize routes, and even negotiate prices in real time. It's about harnessing the power of data to make logistics smarter, faster, and more efficient. But the future of logistics is not just about technology, it's about sustainability. As we become more aware of our environmental footprint, we're starting to rethink our logistics strategies. We're exploring renewable energy sources for transport, developing eco-friendly packaging, and finding ways to reduce waste across the supply chain. Sustainability is no longer an afterthought. It's becoming a key driver of innovation in logistics. So as we gaze into the future, we see a world where logistics is not just faster and more efficient, but also more sustainable and responsible. While it's hard to predict the future, one thing is clear: logistics will continue to evolve, driven by technological advancements and sustainability concerns. To sum it up, the evolution of logistics has been quite a journey. We've traversed the early days of railroads and steamships, witnessed the mid-century transformations, and explored the digital revolution. We've even glimpsed into the future where drones and artificial intelligence may become the norm. What a ride. As we stand at the brink of these exciting developments, we can only imagine what the next chapter holds.